Hello, everyone. This is Lelia from Rinpac. Are you still worrying about how to make your product stand out from the crowd? Today, we're delving into something truly exquisite, custom glass essential oil bottles. Prepare to be enchanted by these treasures. Crafted with precision and care, these bottles are the perfect vessels for your precious essential oils. Whether you're a wellness enthusiast, aromatherapy practitioner, or skincare aficionado, these bottles add a touch of luxury to your daily routine. And here's the beauty of it. Not only do these bottles preserve the potency of your oils, but they also elevate the aesthetic of your space. So, if you're ready to enhance your wellness journey and elevate your self-care rituals, look no further than custom glass essential oil bottles. Don't miss out on this opportunity to nurture your mind, body, and soul with the finest essential oils. Contact us today and let's embark on this journey together. We'll be right here waiting for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.